It's Jthetinker, back with another adventure. I'm going to show you the process I have been going through to make these beautiful epoxy coasters and shop signs with the use of UpStart Epoxy. The link can be found below in the description. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and I will surely respond. Don't forget your coffee. I'm still enjoying my Dunkin' Donuts. And remember, I'm just a regular guy, a husband, and a dad that works a traditional job by day and does this for a hobby when I have time. I've been building and fixing for many years, and I thoroughly enjoy the satisfaction of creating something from my own imagination. The beauty in woodworking is that you don't have to have the perfect plans, the perfect thoughts, or the perfect tools, but a sketch definitely helps on your bank account when purchasing materials. This video will go step by step through the process of making a sign, coasters, that everyone can enjoy. I will tell you that I tried several techniques and it turned out simply fantastic. Let's get into it. These projects can happen in just 5 simple steps. Step 1, purchase. Step 2, cut to length. Step 3, sand and prep. Step 4, oh, did I mention sand again? Step 4, epoxy or stain, your choice, your creation. Step 5, finish it up. Finalize your project and be proud of what you did. Thank you for watching all the way through. You may wonder what my next build will be. A bar, raised garden bed, more liquor display racks. What do you think it should be? Leave a comment below. Remember to like, subscribe, and as always share with anyone and everyone. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out others in my DIY playlist as shown below. Please continue to watch this channel. Your subscription is well worth it. With a new creation each week, I draw inspiration from other projects, but then change it so much that it is no longer theirs and I can call it my own. I use a variety of tools throughout my projects, and if you'd like to know more, be sure to comment in the section below. I will also leave links to some of the products that I used in today's video. If you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, remember, I recently stated that there would be a giveaway once the channel hit 50 subscribers. Your tremendous support in this new venture has crushed it. As of this recording, we are currently at 55 subscribers, and I am so excited for the next milestone. Let's see if we can hit the big 100 by the end of September. Your help in sharing this channel is hugely appreciated. I will be making a custom sign for one lucky subscriber. I will make a brief announcement on September 1st with their name drawn from a hat. If your subscription is private, be sure to leave a comment so everyone can have a chance. It will be your design of a 1x6 piece of plywood measuring just 10 inches with your choice of finish. The winner's sign will be featured in a future video. Who's it going to be?